Yeah.
So tell us about what's going on in the city of Detroit now. You like Chief Craig, who I like too. I've met him a few times.
Yeah.
The first time I met him, he joked with me that I'm on TV more than him, and he didn't like that.
Yeah, yeah.
And he's great on TV.
Yes.
He's a good communicator.
Yes. Loves what he do.
I love what he does too.
I think he brought our department to the 21st century. I think he's done some really great things with our department. I mean, really, with the Intel Center and everything else. Yeah, smart guy. I mean, really smart guy.
But he can't really. You got lots of officers, and some of them, it's turning out, aren't some. There's some bad eggs.
Right.
And he can't really control that. But it seems like when he finds one, he speaks the truth and doesn't try to protect the bad eggs. Is that true? Is that your sense or not your sense?
He doesn't sugarcoat anything. I believe he's a real honest guy. And if he says something, he's telling you what he really feels. He's not a political at all. I really believe that. And I mean, I got his phone number. I can actually call him. So that's what kind of guy he is.
What's his number? Give us a cell phone.
You want his cell number? Let's call him up right now.
For your listeners.
Yeah. They may want to text him.
Yeah. But he's I'm telling you, really good guy from here. He actually started at the 10th precinct.
Yeah, and then he went down
to L.A. afterwards.
L.A.
Yeah.
And he was L.A. for a few years.
Yeah.
And he's back.
Yeah. So
is he going to be around for a while, you think?
I think so. I hope so.
What do you think of our mayor?
I love Duggan. Duggan called me his top cop years ago. And it was a case when he was a prosecutor. Duggan was our prosecutor.
Yeah.
And Duggan was a badass. Excuse my French, but Duggan was a badass. Duggan was one of them kind of guys, roll his sleeves up. When you take that tie down, he gonna hold you accountable.
Okay.
And when he was running the prosecutor's office, we had this case where a bunch of kids were getting killed. And so he created this task force. I forget what it was, but I worked part of the task force. And what we had one time, we had this female hit woman who was trying to shoot somebody, and she wound up killing this kid accidentally. And they had her in for questioning, and she didn't lawyer up anything, but they couldn't get her to talk. But she never lawyered up anything, and they couldn't get her to say anything. She was lying about some different things, but couldn't really tell the truth about anything. And they said Duggan had somebody call my commander, and they called me, and I went and I copped her out. I copped her out like in 2 hours. And so we had a big meeting afterwards in front of a whole bunch of prosecutors and all these lawyers. He pointed out, that's a top cop.
Wow.
You copped her out. What does that mean?
I got a confession from her. I got a full confession from her. That's that cop.
I don't know what they're going to do without. I don't know what they're going to do without you when you finally retire. You better teach your skills to these young men behind you here.
Those are some of the. I'm telling you, those are some of the baddest officers. I'm telling you, Richard Hauser, and Theo. What's your last name? Sorry, Williams. Theo Williams. Yeah, I'm being honest about that.
They look like babies.
But they are some of the best cops. And like a lot of people, they'll kind of criticize, not these cops, but like even the youngest one, like 10 years on the job, and say they're not the same. No, you got a lot of cops.
These guys
out here.
are legit.
They work hard.
We're in good shape with them.
Absolutely.
Is what you're saying.
Absolutely.
When you retire, we're in good shape because of these guys.
Absolutely.
And guys like them.
Oh, yeah.